So you guys might have heard the expression, less is more. When it comes to summer, less is less, because if we put any more, our face is going to melt off. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about moisturizer, minimal makeup, and how you can use moisturizer in your minimal makeup. So I'm going to show you guys how you can cut down on steps in your makeup routine to achieve a flawless looking, almost airbrush looking skin using your moisturizer. Now first, before we get into everything, I just want to introduce the product to you, and then I'm going to show you guys how I use it in a few different ways. So the product is the Roche-Posay, and this is the Effaclar matte. Now I butcher words, I butcher languages, and you know, I studied French for like 5-6 years, and I still just, you know, I feel like Brad Pitt in Glorious Bastards, and I'm like, bonjour, no. Like I can't do it. I try, can't. Like I have a block. But this is the product that I'm going to be talking about to you guys today. Now this brand, the Roche-Posay brand, is near and dear to my heart because they always have your skin's best concern in their mind when they're developing products. They're always thinking about like, how can we develop a product that is good for your skin, that's going to work on your skin. I'm always in awe of how much they really care about your skin when they create a product. So now I'm going to show you guys how I apply this. I'm already wearing makeup, but I do want to show you guys how I achieved moisturized skin using this product and how I incorporate it into my makeup routine and even into my foundation. So let's get started. What makes this moisturizer unique is that you can use it as a primer for your makeup. Apply this both morning and night daily to control shine, reduce the look of pores, and just add overall moisture to your skin. I also like to apply just a little bit before I do my makeup in my makeup routines to add just a little bit of an extra base and to control shine and oil just a little bit more, especially during those summer months. Now this is non-comedogenetic, which if you don't know what that means it's not going to cause comedones, aka pimples. This is going to add lightweight moisture to your skin and make your skin look its best. So right now my skin feels super smooth. I am very impressed. Like if you guys could just reach through the screen and touch my face, you'd be like, oh my god, that's velvety soft. And I absolutely mean that, because any of you guys that have ever met me in person, if I like a product and I'm telling you about it and I'm like, it made my face feel so smooth, I will literally tell you, like, I will request that you touch my face. So this feels very, very smooth, and I love that this product can be used right under a BB cream and you're kind of good to go. I'm going to tell you guys why I love this product, and I'm going to show you guys how I use it aside from just using it as a general moisturizer. This product is great to kind of turn into a BB cream. Now the Roche-Posay already has something very similar, but I just want to show you guys how you can turn this product into an oil controlling, pore reducing, very healthy for your skin type moisturizer foundation. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I start by applying a little bit of the Effaclar matte, very little, especially if you've applied this morning and night, you don't need to put too much. I'll then take a favorite foundation, usually one that has drops. This way I can like easily combine the two. Very, very little. I might do like 2 to 1. So like 2 drops foundation to 1 drop of 1 squirt. And then I'll just swoosh it around on my skin. And this creates an almost lightweight BB cream. And what I'll do is, instead of applying it heavily with a brush, I will apply it in areas on my face where I need a little help, like underneath my eyes, a little redness on my chin, and I'll do a little bit on the forehead. So I apply this with the foundation, and if you notice, I'm doing a very, very light coverage. I'm applying it to areas that are typically problem areas, like underneath my eye where I have dark circles, or oily areas like my forehead, my nose, my chin. Now I'm blending this product out without applying any extra product, because you really don't need too much. You want to make it a light BB cream type consistency. You don't really want to put too much on, because you're not going for a full coverage. You're just going for a lighter coverage with all the benefits of the Roche-Posay Effaclar matte. I blend this product out all over the face, and this is going to give me an all-day wear matte foundation that is going to be good for my skin, and it's going to control shine, while moisturizing my skin. So what I love about it, and now that I'm wearing it on my skin, I feel like it gives me that my skin but better look. So whether you're wearing this product as a moisturizer day and night, or are you putting a little bit on before you go out, which is what I like to do in the summer, putting it under your foundation as a base just a little bit, or even mixing it into your foundation, this product is going to be an essential product that you're going to love during the summer. If you're like me me and you have oily skin, if you have oily skin, oily T-zone, combination skin, even if you have dry skin, like even though this says it's for oily skin, if you put this on and you have dry skin, you apply just a light amount, you're going to be achieving that moisture, and it's going to give you that moisture barrier that's perfect to have underneath your makeup. It's going to keep your skin very, very hydrated without looking cakey and without adding just, you know, sometimes if you have dry skin and you put a moisturizing product on that's meant for dry skin, then it makes your kind of makeup slip and slide around because it's too much moisture. I feel like this is the Goldilocks type of product, and I think you guys would absolutely enjoy it if you check it out. Now, if you'd like to pick up this product, there will be a link below in the info section. This is $31.99, and I feel with like how little you use of it and how much uses you can get out of this product and how good for your skin it is. So guys, check this out. If you've already tried it, I would love to know your experiences. Leave me some comments below. If you've never tried it, is this something you would want to try? I always love hearing your opinions. If you love this, if you liked this video, please be sure to give me a like and subscribe. I also suggest that you guys go check out my Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Give me a follow there. I'm always posting food, fashion, flat lays, you name it, I have it there. Lots of bite-sized content and lots of makeup of the day that features my makeup recipe, which tells you basically every product I put into that look, how I achieve that look, so you can see my my ingredient list of makeup that I used for each and every look. And I think it's a great way to, like, if you liked the look I'm wearing today, and if you're like, oh my god, what's this, that, the other thing, you can go right over there and you'll check it out and you'll see the list. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.